Hi there. This tutorial is designed to help show you how to find and join the relaunched Professional Development Practitioners community in the Vision Resource Center. On February 4th, 2022, we relaunched the Professional Development Practitioners community in Vision Resource Center. If you were a member of the community before, you'll have to find and join this community again. To do this, just log into the Vision Resource Center. If your campus is fully integrated into the VRC already, you will use your college's single sign-on link. If your college isn't integrated, or if you're not sure, visit visionresourcecenter.cccco.edu and click Login. From here, you'll enter your email address using your college email, not your district email, if you have both. Once you're logged on to the Vision Resource Center, and your welcome page might look a bit different than this, hover over Communities, then click on All Communities. Scroll down until you see the CCC Professional Development Practitioners. You may need to go to the second or the third page to find it. When you find it, click on the title of the community and then click Join Community. Hooray! You're now part of a lively, passionate, and knowledgeable group of colleagues throughout the California Community College system. This community is a place to share ideas, ask questions, and support each other. This community is for all professional development practitioners in the California community colleges, which includes those who play a role in providing professional development, track and report flex, or provide professional learning and or compliance training to employees, including faculty, staff, and administrators. So please make sure all of the people on your campus, in your district, and in your network join this community. Send them this tutorial. While you're here, let's take a quick tour. On the main page, we have a bit of information about the moderators of this group, 4CSD. The California Community College Council for Staff Development is a statewide organization who serves all PD practitioners in the system. Basically, we're your people. We host virtual events throughout the year and have an annual in-person conference that is a can't miss for all PD practitioners. Check us out. Also on this page, we have some quick links for new PD Flex coordinators, creating a post, and events for PD practitioners. Below that, we have a feed of all the posts happening in the community. You're welcome to post any questions or thoughts you have. We encourage you not to start your post here on the main page though. It's best to click Create a Post or select Topics from this header menu. That way, you can place your post in the most relevant topic and have more options for creating a useful title of your post and formatting the post. If you create it on the main page, it's a bit trickier. But if you create a post under a topic, it will still post on the main page. To create a post, open the most relevant topic. A note here, there are 2 topics that are actually shared from other statewide VRC communities. We've done this because we think the info shared in these topics are very relevant to this group. These topics are Chancellor's Office System webinars and content announcements. If you post in these topics, that post will also show in those communities, so that might not be your intention. Okay, to create a post, open the topic most relevant to your post. Click Create Posting. Usually you're creating a discussion, but if the other choices are more relevant, select that. Give your post a useful title. This will ensure it's listed properly in the topics and on the main page. If you just start typing your post on the main discussion page, it will just make the beginning of your message the title of your post. So your post title may become, "Hi there, colleagues, I was wondering," which isn't as useful as it could be. Then complete your post with specific questions or announcements. You don't need to necessarily add, "Hi there," and add your signature, but when your discussion is posted, it's going to show who posted it. You may want to bold some key words in your post to help it stand out on the main feed. You can also add links and attach documents as needed. Finally, you can also tag your post to make it easier to find. Click on the Add Existing Tags and search for terms that might be relevant to your post. Finally, click Done. Your post will now show on the main discussion page for the community, as well as in a list under the topic. Perhaps before you post, you'll want to search for information that might already be in the community, and you can do this with the Search Within Community feature. Maybe you want to search about equity. And here you'll see any posts that mention or are tagged with equity. Finally, if you're really excited about the potential in this community and you're thinking, how will I remember to come visit this community? There's a feature in the VRC called Email Digest. This feature will only send you a daily email summarizing any new posts in the VRC communities you've joined. If there are no new posts, you won't get an email that day. It's a great way to stay tuned into your communities. It must be turned on for each college. You can't turn it on for yourself. If you aren't already receiving this email, contact your college's point person for the VRC and ask them to turn on Email Digest. If you are the college point person for the VRC, reach out to the VRC support team for help turning on Email Digest for your college. I hope this tour was useful. Please do visit the community often and share your expertise. The community is only useful if we pour our knowledge in here. We need you.